Now we will present the material about the journal entitled The Effect of GeoGebra, Acid Learning Cycle 7E Model, and Cognitive Style on the Mathematical Concept Understanding Ability. But before we come to the presentation session, let me introduce me and my friends. My name is Widatunisa, and I'm going to be the moderator and the first speaker. And here is my friend, her name Maulid Datul Hasanah. She will be the second speaker. And Abu Yazid Bustami, he will be the third speaker. And Mila Mauluda, she will the fourth speaker. And Arini Royhal Jannah, she will be the fifth speaker. I think that's enough about the introduction session. Let's come to the next session. The first presentation will be derived to myself. Introduction. 1. Analogous reasoning has long been believed to play an essential role in mathematics learning and problem solving. 2. Learning models require instruments to support the learning process. Learning Cycle 7E model can improve students' critical thinking skills. This learning model can also positively impact students' problem-solving abilities, motivation, and mathematical connection. Thank you. Next, my partner by Maulid Datul Hasanah.
Okay, thank you. In this regis, the learning model was assisted by GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a software that combines geometry and calculus. It can also construct points, vector, line segment, conic section, and form field to construct spatial space, even directly determine coordinate, fluctuation, integral, and extreme points. Well, thank you. The rest I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. The next material was delivered by Abu Yazid Bustami.
Okay, next method. 1. The sample will determined be cluster random sampling technique, which obtained class 8D 29 student as the control class 8D 31 student as the experimental class 1 and class 8G 30 student as the experimental class 2. The total number of samples was 90 students within 3 classes. 2. The researcher also conducted prerequisite tests of the obtained data with consistent of the normality test using the Deliforce formula and the homogeneity thus using the Bartlett test. 3. The researcher employed the quasi-experimental design with a quantitative approach. This method was selected because the researcher could not control on the external factor influencing student understanding. Will thank you. The rest I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. The next material was delivered by Mila Mauluda.
Result and discussion.
based on the offer differs between the two groups. When L was lower than A2, the GeoGebra assisted learning CESL 6A model provides better results on students' mathematical concept understanding than the learning CESL 6A model. Because there was no inverse difference between students who received learning CESL 6A model and those who received the geometry assisted learning CESL 6A model. CESL 6E model provides better result in students' mathematical concept understanding than control cell learning model. Experimental group 2 about second then group I and the control group. Okay, thank you. Next.
Okay, thank you. The next material was delivered by Arini Royharjana.
Okay, thank you. Next, conclusion. The result of the analysis concluded that 1. GeoGebra assisted learning cycle 7E model had a positive influence on student mathematical concept understanding ability. 2. Cognitive styles, dependent and field independent, did not influence student mathematical understanding ability. 3. There was no interaction between the learning model group. Learning cycle 7E model, GeoGebra assisted learning cycle 7E model, and conventional learning model and group cognitive styles were on student mathematical concept understanding. Will, thank you. The rest I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. Now we are coming to the last agenda. It is closing. But before we close our presentation today, we are as the presenters especially and as the moderator saying sorry if we have mistakes during presenting our material this afternoon. And the last we say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.